Ah, yes, the Dog Patch, Peak Design's sunny little corner of San Francisco. We've been designing award-winning gear right here since 2011. Oh look, there's Pete, helmetless and blocking the fire hydrant. Anyway, welcome to the PDHQ, where the flame of innovation always burns. Our playground for technology, design, sustainability, and of course, creativity, which comes in a few different flavors. Hey Art, how's that new bag line? You know what, let's not distract Art. Our radical products are how you know us. But there's another side to Peak Design, and that's being a radical place to work. Nice catch, Claire. You see, life's short. And we believe that if you're going to work for a living, well, it would be a damn shame if you didn't have a little fun while you're at it. Don't get me wrong, we work hard, endlessly prototyping, meticulously building, tirelessly iterating, again and again. We are serious about product design, but we take ourselves a little less seriously. You know, work hard, play hard. Thanks, Bev. Sharing is caring. Now, if you've seen our marketing content, you've probably gotten a little whiff of our brand voice. Maybe it's not for everyone, but hey, that's showbiz, baby. But at the end of the day, it's not about us. It's about you, our customers, our community. We obsess because you obsess. So thanks for coming by. I'm glad to have you along for the ride.